Welcome to Joint Botics. This is a project of gas alerting system in home. In this project, we have used a light module and a buzzer module to alert in a home. And inside this, there is a smoke sensor and other small connecting circuits attached inside the home. So this is the home environment. Let us see. I have taken a small agarbatti. Now I'll just put it inside the home near the sensor. You could see it is alerting with a red siren and it is alerting with a buzzer saying that some fire, some smoke is been detected in the house. So by seeing the LED on the top, the surrounding people can get alert. By seeing the sound, nearby people can get alert with help of sound.